In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Ubersuggest tool in 28.5 with a comprehensive step-by-step guide. First, let's head over to the Ubersuggest website by visiting neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in using your Google account or your email. Once you're in, we'll begin by adding your website. Click on Add Project and you'll be prompted to enter your site name and URL. This step is essential as it helps Ubersuggest track the keywords relevant to your site and run a thorough site audit. Next, we move on to running a site audit. Click on Site Audit and let Ubersuggest work its magic. This tool will scan your website for any issues like broken links, slow loading pages, or missing meta tags. These insights are crucial because fixing these errors can significantly enhance your site's SEO performance and overall user experience. Once you have addressed any on-site issues, it's time to find the right keywords. Use the search bar to type in a broad topic related to your site, such as healthy recipes. Pay close attention to key metrics like search volume and SEO difficulty. The goal here is to select keywords that have a good volume while maintaining low difficulty. This sweet spot can help your content rank more effectively in search engine results. After gathering your keywords, it's time to get creative with content ideas. Ubersuggest's Keyword Ideas section is a treasure trove. It displays related keywords and even question-based queries people are searching for. These can be golden opportunities for crafting engaging blog posts, YouTube videos, or even content for product pages. Now, it's not enough to focus solely on your website. It's important to understand what your competitors are doing too. Enter a competitor's website in the Ubersuggest search box. This will reveal their top performing pages, preferred keywords, and valuable backlinks. Use this competitive analysis to strategize and create even more compelling content than what they offer. Finally, tracking your progress is crucial in any SEO journey. Navigate to the rank tracking feature of Ubersuggest. Here, you can add your list of target keywords and monitor how your site's rankings change over time. This will help you understand what's working and where you still need to improve. In conclusion, Ubersuggest is a powerful tool in your SEO arsenal. By methodically following these steps, you'll be armed with the insights and data necessary to optimize your website effectively. So roll up your sleeves and start using Ubersuggest to its full potential today. Thank you for watching and happy optimizing.